Hey guys, and welcome back. If you've got some Bitcoin sitting inside your Cash App balance and you want to move it over to Coinbase to trade, cash out, or store it, the process is actually incredibly simple. So I'll walk you through the steps one by one. First, we need to locate your unique deposit address so your Bitcoin knows exactly where to go. So open up your Coinbase app on your phone. From the home screen, from the home dashboard, just tap the primary receive button near the top of your screen, or navigate to your asset portfolio, select Bitcoin, and tap the receive QR code button. Now pay close attention to the asset label. Make sure that the screen explicitly says receive Bitcoin BTC and shows the default Bitcoin network. Don't forget, guys, the network has to be the same, otherwise you will lose your funds permanently. Be very careful. And once you've verified the network, tap the copy icon to save that long string of your numbers and letters to your clipboard. And now swipe over and open up your Cash App next. Tap on the Money tab in the bottom corner of the screen, and then tap on the Bitcoin tile to open your crypto portfolio balance. Tap the transaction arrow icon and select Send Bitcoin command. Then you just type in the exact amount of BTC you want to transfer. On the recipient's page, paste that Coinbase address you just copied straight into the to field at the top. Double check that everything and last 4 digits match what you saw in the Coinbase. Choose the preferred processing speed and then confirm. And you're all set now. Your transaction is now broadcasted to the blockchain. That is it. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.